Yep, it's rolling.
All right, that's fine. You can let it roll. So what we're doing is we're splitting this stone here using a feather and wedge. Feather and wedge is like that. When you drive this down, it flares those out, causing the stone to pop. So you got to make sure these are all pointed the same direction. You can't have, you can't have one of them turned sideways, or else that'll mess your cut up. So and holes have been drilled just a little bit, deeper than you think they need. And you tap. And all you do is bring all three of them down in even pressure. I'm not pounding, I'm just tapping them slowly. For a really thick stone or a stone that's difficult, you might go slower. For one like this that I know from previous experience pops real well, we just bang them in. And that's that. That's how you get a split. That's a split stone.
Awesome.
So you can